Hello everyone. Our today's topic is NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry. So this is done by Mahesh Bharadwaj. Here we will discuss the chapter number 2 solution. The question we discuss here is in text unsolved question. That is question number 2.3. Calculate the molarity of each of the following solution. A part is 30 gram of CONO3 whole twice dot 6 H2O in 4.3 liter of solution, and B part is 30 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. We start solving the question one by one. First, we will know what is the formula of molarity. Molarity is number of moles of solute present in volume of solution. That volume is in liter, or when we simplify it, it will become weight upon molar mass into 1000 upon volume in ml. Okay, so this is a formula of molarity. Okay, we are using it. So first part, the given compound is CONO3 whole twice dot 6 H2O. First we will calculate the molar mass. So molar mass of CONO3 whole twice 6 H2O is 291 gram per mole. Okay. Now we will calculate the molarity. The formula is weight of solute upon molar mass of solute into 1000 upon volume of the solution. That's volume is in ml. Okay, so we substitute the value here. The value is given here is 30 gram of solute. The molar mass is 291 gram per mole, 1000, and volume given here is 4.3 liter, that is 4300 ml. Well, when we solve this equation, the value comes to be 0.023 molar. So the molarity of this solution is 0.023 molar. This is our answer. Okay, now B part, number of moles present in 1000 ml of 0.5 molar H2SO4 is 0.5 mole. So we consider here M1 is 0.5 molar. Okay, now volume here is 30 ml. Okay, so V2 is 500 ml, that is already given in the question. Okay, now we have to calculate the molarity, that is M2 final molarity. Here we use the formula, that is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Here when we cross multiply it, M2 is equal to M1V1 upon V2. We substitute the value. Here M1 is 0.5, V1 is 30, V2 is 500. We remove this decimal 10, 10, 10. The value comes to be 5, that is 3 by 100. So the net molarity is 0.03 molar. Okay. I hope you are able to understand this question. For more description and for more notes and the solution of the NCERT, please contact at teachingpoint.org.in.